Hey everybody, welcome to the D-Rich Show. Today is February 1st, 2021. Welcome back, guys. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. Hope you guys did something fun, new, and exciting. Well, for me, I was able to get out of town, get out of Dodge for a little bit, for a couple days. Every time it seems like I go out of town or some sort of vacation, XRP decides to pump it up a little bit, but this time it was based on some, in my opinion, fraudulent activity by Wall Street bets, or even people in the XRP community, pumping and dumping XRP. So, guys, I don't get too excited about some of these pump and dumps. I've been around for many scams, or many different opportunities for people to take advantage of newcomers, new investors, and this is why people call XRP scam, is because of situations like this that people come in, they get wrecked, they get shorted, liquidated, whatever, they lose money, and it's a shame. So from here on out, I'm going to limit my reach when it comes to XRP, because of the simple fact that I'm not here to always promote XRP. I'm always here to promote other cryptocurrencies, and it's always important for you to diversify and deal with people with integrity, with honesty, create checks and balances, making sure that you are paying attention to different types of people who are out there just to gain leverage or gain a buck and hurt other people. Well, for me, personally speaking, really can't do anything to me, because I know that that's not my makeup, that's not my profile. So you'll never hear me trying to pump up XRP or pump up a certain digital asset. You'll never hear me asking for anything or whatnot. So, that's just me. So if there's members out there, I would just say, if they're not representing the community appropriately, or for good practice, like I have done, I don't listen to no one anymore, none of them. And I do that because I bring mental clarity for myself. I get to think rationally for myself, and I get to look at other projects that other people don't like to talk about. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get in the coin market cap real quick. You got Wall Street bets. I don't know what the freak that is, but it just popped out of nowhere. Okay, at number 0. And we can look at it right here. Look at that graph in the last 7 days. Up 11,000%. Last 24 hours, 134%. But it's guys like these people pumping up XRP to about 70 cents. And look at this, 483 bucks. Why can't XRP be that on these pumps, these schemes, things like that? Just be aware of them. That's just all I have to say, because I'm just very disappointed in seeing this again in this community. This is like the third or fourth time I've seen like some scam hit the community, and the last time was when these guys went to the Swell event and came back and created their own group about the insiders and shit like that. It's people like that who bring a bad name to the community, and it sucks. It sucks, especially if I've been on the outside trying to mingle with people, trying to get involved with the community, and this is kind of why I just take a step back. Oops. But this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to continue to do what I do, and if you continue to listen to me, I appreciate it, because at the end of the day, I might get some flack, I might get some loss of subscriberships, things like that, which is okay with me, because then at that point in time I would know who is going to stick it out with me until the very end. because I'm not going to mislead you. I'm not going to misguide you. I'm not going to give you false hope. And I'm surely not going to sugarcoat any of the behavior. But anyway, Bitcoin trading at $33,804. Ethereum, $1,300. Tether still sitting there at number 3. And then we got XRP, who pumped and dumped all the way up to about 70 cents, 71 cents, something like that. I was asleep when it came down, but I kind of knew that, this was going to kind of happen, because, when you promote a scheme in advance, then they got an opportunity to shut you down, shut you out. And as we can see worldwide, XRP was halted in trading activity. Why that was, I don't know. But, in my opinion, I'll get into that here in a minute. But let me go ahead and finish this top 10, because it did take a little change. Polkadot at $15.97, Cardano at 35 cents, almost 36. Number 7, Chainlink, $22. Litecoin still hanging around the top 10 at $129.42. Binance Coin almost all the way up to $50 at 12.29% over the last 24 hours. Rounding out the top 10, we got Bitcoin Cash at $404. And as you can see, Stellar XLM is at 31 cents. Okay, and then you got Dogecoin, which is going to be a part of this show, sitting around 3 cents, almost 4 cents, up 21% in the last 24 hours. Now, guys, I want to go ahead and get into this article real quick. From Business Insider, written by Harry Robertson almost 3 hours ago. XRP falls shortly after soaring 50%, but Dogecoin is holding on, with day traders looking for new targets and Elon Musk fanning interest. So, Ripple's digital token XRP rose more than 50% before tumbling into the red. Meme currency Dogecoin held onto its gains, with Elon Musk driving the interest. Day traders copied the tactics that sent GameStop soaring last week, and cryptocurrency XRP tumbled into the red on Monday after rising more than 50% in early trading as pump and hold scheme organized by day traders ran into trouble. Now, guys, if you guys are listening to me, don't go out there doing dumb stuff, throwing all your money in there, like it's a freaking lottery, where you go around gathering up a bunch of people and gathering up a bunch of money because the lottery prices are sky high, hoping that you can cash in on it. Some people do, some people don't. And, people are, desperate at these times. And, people are taking advantage of that desperation, especially during a pandemic, especially when the government has not yet bailed any of the businesses out. They haven't even given you a second stimulus check. But yet, here we are throwing money into a cryptocurrency or a digital asset that hasn't fully matured yet. Okay, yeah, it's going to go up. Yeah, it's going to come down. But when people see it get to the top, brand new people, they don't know when to get out. They don't know when to take profits, or sell high, buy low. They just come in and they get this, tweet, or they get this feed on their, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, whatever. And then they go in and they get wrecked. But anyway, Dogecoin was 33.87% higher at 4 cents, but remained well below a high of more than 7 cents hit last week. Bitcoin still is the biggest cryptocurrency by market cap. Was up to still leading the market by 62.8%. But anyway, guys, I just want to get on this show today to talk to you guys about some of these things, because it's important that you don't overbuy, you don't break your budget, you don't break you stay within your habits, stay consistent of who you are as far as what your trading strategy is, what makes it work for you, because I know what works for me. I know how to hold my position. I know how to continue to, ride the wave. Yes, it's exciting to see, XRP rise in price, but not at the expense of people pumping and dumping it. Shame on those people. Shame on those content creators, especially the ones that have a large following where they can manipulate a lot of people, or, bring people in and screw them over. It's frustrating as outsider, and this is why I say a lot of these people, they don't even like communicate with you. They don't even like get down on your level. They only pump up these other accounts that have a large following, and you know what? You're just a regular person that don't mean anything to them. This is why I shut them off. Okay, so you guys got to just stay true to yourself. Okay, stay true to your strategies. Okay, don't let anyone influence it. Continue to educate yourself. Continue to read. Not Twitter, not Facebook, not Instagram, not some of these dumb fools that do not educate themselves. They only get the news from passing it around, which is the same fucking news that we get on Google, that we get on Yahoo. We can research these things on our very own, and we can still make the same type of content that they do. Okay? But just keep in mind, speaking of Dogecoin, that people get to create their own currency. People get to create their own money. They get to create the value and the worth of their own money. So when you call Dogecoin meme coin, yeah, I get it. Okay? But don't be fooled to thinking that Dogecoin cannot be considered money. Okay? At some point in time, it might be deemed that, it might not. But like it says, it's holding its value, it's holding its weight. Okay? Now it's still up more than 300%. Okay, so take it for what it's worth. If you only lost a few, percent, hold it. I'm a holder. I can't encourage you to do anything else but hold until, everything matures and gets better in the communities when it comes to cryptocurrency. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to share that, get that off my chest. I hope I didn't rant too much, or I didn't, go overboard. But, I'm going to be authentic. I'm going to be genuine. Okay, I'm filled with integrity, and I expect to keep that integrity intact as long as I'm making video, as long as I'm putting out content, as long as I'm tweeting. Okay, I'm going to be true to my nature, true to myself, and that's just the way it's going to go. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful Monday. Hope the price of XRP continues to rise in the meantime. But if not, again, learn how to persevere. Learn how to be patient. Okay, because those are going to be the true winners when it's all said and done. It's not the pump and dump. It's not the get rich quick scheme or whatever. If you want to do that, you're more than welcome to play the lottery, or, diversify your portfolio where there's there's more risk, where you have like a broad array of assets in your portfolio, and a lot of them, and hope that one of them actually hits. Okay, that's called law of averages. Okay, you might get lucky on some of them, but you got to do your due diligence on those ones that you might find that will have use at some point in time. But anyway, guys, that's today's show. Enjoy the rest of the day. We're going to get through this week. Okay, we're going to get through everything. There's nothing that's going to hold us back, because nothing can stop what's coming. As always, I do believe the best is yet to come. So hang tight, guys. We're almost at the finish line. God bless, take care, and as always, treat everyone with class, dignity, and respect. Bye-bye.